So I didn't want to be the only one on a roller coaster just, wow! Good morning, everyone.
Can I help you?
Yes, can I order a pickup from you?
Yes, what can I get for you?
I'm going to go with your 2 eggs over easy with white bread toasted, bacon, and crispy hash browns from you. Good morning, everyone. What's going on? I missed you. You missed me. Let's not make this awkward. Let's just get into it. Here we go. Today is a good day. It's morning time. It's beautiful out right now. I am on my way to get some breakfast because I'm hungry and I deserve it. And later today, in about 3 hours from now, I'm going to make my way to the airport because I am going, people, to Minneapolis, Minnesota. Why? Why would you ask? Because why not? I love taking tours of NFL stadiums, or seeing them, being in them, going to a game in them, whatever. But I'm going to US Bank, which is in Minneapolis, and I'm going to go and take a tour of the stadium tomorrow, I believe. Maybe I'll go to Mall of America and buy each and every one of you something. Probably not. What's going on? Got my food. I don't know if you can see me, but I got it. I'm happy. Looking at my arm, I hear you. All right, let's go home and eat this. Okay, so here's the plan. I used to do a lot of vlogging, right? And I used to do a lot of content for my channels, and social media and stuff like that. So I've been asked by some sponsors to create more content on a regular basis. So that's what I'm gonna start doing. I'm gonna start doing some more traveling and some more vlogging. So I'm catching a flight to Minneapolis, Minnesota, because I'm going to go take a tour of the US Bank Stadium for the Minnesota Vikings.
No man on the Minnesota Vikings.
I hear it's a new stadium. Well, it is a new stadium. I hear it looks pretty cool, and I can't wait to see it. But right now, I need to eat my breakfast, and I'm hungry, and I will talk to you in a little bit. So at this point right now, it's raining here in Minnesota, which is fine, whatever. I'm soaked. You can see it, but I'm soaked. Now I'm gonna go check into my hotel. Hopefully it's nice. Let's go.